Hi all, this is Param. In this video, we will see some. Of course, we have covered some of most of the features or configuration which are available and how it can impact on the anomaly detection jobs. Okay, in earlier videos. Okay, so in this video, I will explain one of the kibana features. Okay, so obviously, we will be using kibana for at least to start the anomalies, to start the machine learnings. Okay, especially for anomaly detections. Okay, and to check to do the samples, okay, samples with the actual data, okay, before to do all analysis, to do the analysis on the whole set of data. Okay, so the first things, here is the kibana, of course. Okay, this is the navigation menu. Okay, maybe this is kind of covering features in the available in the kibana, but that is not my intention. I'm not in my intention is not to cover the kibana features. Okay, but it is what I want to highlight here is it is easy to start the anomaly detection jobs. Okay, so because of believe me, okay, there are a lot of things are there in with respect to anomaly detection. It is not like creating mapping or creating index or just searching something. Okay, it is not. Okay, so it has a lot of features. Okay, and a lot of configurations options. Okay, so to do any machine learning, so we cannot do that. We can start the analysis of jobs by understanding all the factors, all the conflicts. It will take a lot of times. Okay, so that's why for the quick start we will use the kibana. Okay, so in that we will see the data visualizations, just to get glimpse of data. Okay, the high level data. Okay, so this is what this data visualizations. Okay, I will explain this data visualization in this video. Okay, in the anomaly detections, I will explain in the next video. Okay, that is fine. So data visualization, of course, you can load your data. Okay, so if you are having your data with your log files or something, CSV something. The other thing is you can load data from the index. As I told you in earlier videos, to start any anomaly detection, the data has to be bring into the within the Elasticsearch index. Okay, it cannot be we cannot do any anomaly detection in the data which is in the remote or somewhere else. Okay, so that is so it seems it was there in early days. Down in 7 point something onwards they have deprecated, in fact. Okay, I have highlighted already. So since let's believe that the data is already there. Actually, this is in this demo I am going to show the existing data which is comes in the kibana itself. Okay, so here let me go with the kibana data logs. Okay, this is the index, so which is comes by default. Okay, which is comes by default from the kibana installation itself. So, okay, so this data I already imported. Okay, from the home page of kibana. Okay, so now I took that kibana sample data logs. This is one of the index. Okay, here just that here it is the timestamps. Okay, if you want to use, I can use all the timestamps. Okay, use the entire data. Okay, so both are same, I think, here. Okay, the data range same. Okay, now so here you can see how the data is distributed. Okay, here the some things the count here it shows reduced. Okay, but here is the count is very high. Okay, here that was reduced, but remain all the other areas it's almost equal. Okay, so it is normal. Okay, fine. Okay, if I want to do any filtering, so you can do filters. Okay, but here we can see this how much sample size I want. Here just I'm trying to understand the data just at the high level, at the glimpse, right? So okay, here I can select the all data just only for 1000 data. So I'm just seeing this data. Okay, so yeah, okay, how this data should look. Okay, if I took for this 1000 record from the per shard. So I think it has only 2 shard by this index. Okay, sorry. Okay, so here you can see type of the field. So obviously name of the field in the document. So number of documents available. Okay, the distinctive value, that means cardinality, right? Okay, how the distributed. Okay, how it is also distributed, and we can what happened suddenly. Okay, we have some of the actions. Okay, straight away in the lens. Okay, because we are analyzing the data, right? We are just analyzing the data. We can analyze data by using any of the given graphs or something like that. So that's one of the analysis, one of the way. Here you can see that count is 230. Okay, here and all 230, 233. Here 170 something. 175 came. Okay, So this is house. Okay, here you can see that count becomes 0. Okay, in this date. So that's how you can get the high level idea about your data. Okay, so that is what that is what purpose of this kind of actions. Okay, so the data visualization. Okay, here you can, what is this? Edit index view. I can really no need. Okay, then here is a field names. Okay, let's say if you want to look at the sum of the field only, you can see that. Okay, here you can see that again what is a field, something, all the stuff. Okay, here is the you can select more than one field as well. So, okay, let's say extension, I can select what are the field I want. Okay, similarly field types. Okay, I can field types. Okay, either date field, all the date field, or all the geo field, something like that. Okay, I can select any date field. So that's only those fields will be displayed here. So here I have applied almost 3 filters. Okay, okay, here you can see the distinct, let's say extensions. Okay, here already you can see that it is there is count thousand documents. Obviously we have said that taken 1000 documents. Okay, the percentage 100%. Okay, obviously all the document has this value for this column, extensions columns. Okay, the distinct field is only 6. Okay, let's see what are those 6. So one is empty, obviously. GSS, CSS, DEB, SIP, RPM. So all what happened? Okay, I think it refers automatically. Okay, so I think, okay, let me check, is there any place to disable? Okay, it should be here now. Okay, it is manual. Okay, that's fine. Refresh, stop. Okay, yeah, now it won't. Okay, okay. Sorry, here I can see that. Okay, so how the data is distributed, you can see that empty. So data, I mean, what is that, the extension field not populated among almost 30% of the data, and there's 18.5 something in GZ, something like that. So it's a high level. Okay, so this is how we can use the data visualizer to just get the high level idea about that. Okay, okay, so it is kind of samplings. Okay, to analyze at the high level, at the high level, what are the data types are there. Okay, how many fields are there, which fields we can use for the anomaly detections or field selections. Okay, or which field we can use partition to partition the index. So to understand, to get such an idea about your index, we can use a data visualizer. Okay, so in the next video I will explain the anomaly detections. Okay, that's all about the data visualizer. It is nothing but, okay, so data visualizer just to give to give you high level idea about any the imported data or any indexed data. That's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.